gosh. Okay. So we're like, Renee, what are you doing? Okay. It is so cold that I'm basically trying to carry as much into the house from the car as possible. So of course I've got my almond milk chicken and sparkling water, which is probably the heaviest of the heavy. But you know, sometimes in life, you just go for it. Oh my gosh. It has been like, what was the temperature? It's at least 3 below, and it's the middle of the day. It ain't warming up much bigger than that. And like, you know, when you're in the Midwest and you're like, cause it's so cold out that you're like trying to get proper air into your lungs because it's like almost a bit paralyzing to your lungs to breathe in that cold air. But all right, so here we are. I did a grocery shop. I went to Aldi because Aldi is thebomb.com. And, oh, I was like looking in there. I was like, oh, that better not be like a marker. All right. So, okay. We are here. We are home. Jackets are falling down. Okay. And I will show you what I got this time in my Aldi shop. Here's another thing. When you style your hair in the Midwest and it's freezing cold, it won't stay for very long because the cold will zap it. And in the summertime, it'll get so hot and humid, it'll repeat the process all over again, although you'll just have frizz. So far, here's what we have. That's all the shenanigans I've got there. So we'll get it all lined up on the table. Then we'll get crack-a-lackin'. Okay guys, so I've unpacked all my keto stuff. Now, like I've said before in other videos, when I grocery shop, I do get other things for my kids, like apples and things like that. Like, they do eat more like whole foods. I'm the one that more strictly does the keto stuff in the family. So, but they do tend, like for dinners and stuff, I will make like a solely keto meal and they will eat that just fine. So, all right, I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'm gonna show you what I've got. So I've got some chicken breast and some thighs. I love chicken thighs. They are fatty and super yummy. I love those. Then we got some salami, prosciutto. I actually like to take the prosciutto and wrap it around the chicken breast, and that's amazing. I did get some shredded cheese because I'm gonna be making a lasagna. We got some tomatoes. I don't eat a lot of these all at once, but just for like some flavor, just like a couple chopped up on a salad or something. Got some cheese like for the kids. I did those ones. Okay. Sandwiches, snacks. These are pretty awesome. Great. The macros are pretty good on them too, so I like that. I'm gonna make spaghetti like sausage boats out of these, and Mom, they are super good. So the spaghetti. I will in just a minute. I got sprouts, legit butter, got some mascarpone,
and we got a sandwich
berries.
Here.
We got mushrooms, avocado, got some asparagus, peppers, more eggs. The kids love broccoli, so I got some fresh broccoli, stocking up some more coconut flour, peanuts. I don't eat a whole lot of nuts, but now and again I do, just because like of the carb content. And all that kind of stuff. So, but they are nice, like to have as like a little garnish. I did pick up some almond butter, got some olives, there's cashews. I'm gonna be making, so I found this. So it's got like a cabbage mix, and I am going to be making, I think it's called like egg roll bowls. So like I'm not gonna be using the dressing in there or like the little crunchy bits in there, but I am gonna use like the greens to make up the egg roll part of it. So that's gonna be fun. I always get Caesar salad because that's like a staple. There was a sale on pork rinds, so I, you know, naturally got a whole lot of those. I'm for the
pork rinds.
No, you don't. And then for the For the lasagna I'm gonna be making, I'm gonna make my own sauce, so I got that. We always need almond milk. Make sure you get the unsweetened so there's no added sugars. Cheese sticks. I got some pork patties because it's always nice with breakfast. Now, I don't always have a lot of these in the house. Like, these are kind of spare on the go or whatever because, you know, they're still a processed food. So, you know, I try to minimize that as much as I can. But these are a really good option because they're only 2 net carbs. So, all right. And then I got my sparkling water. And then, look at this. I don't know if you guys get these, but the Oh Snap pickles are one of my favorite brands. And I know they carry these in gas stations and stuff too, so that's great for traveling and on the go. But the pickles are thebomb.com, and I know my daughter likes these too, so I will throw some of those in her lunch, and she will love those. So that's what we have for an Aldi shop. Not too bad, huh?
Snowman that got eaten.
Yes. We did sugar cookies last night because, you know, like that's the festive thing. He's eating them. I'm not. So. You know, we gotta do Elf on the Shelf here too, don't you? Yep, so he's just been hanging out there all day. My Prove It Reboot. I am so excited, you guys. I cannot wait. So, yeah, there's a snazzy box. Declare it here,
Mom,
then prove it every single day.
Mom,
Booyah. Okay, guys, so here is what is all included in the kit. So naturally, you get your doses of, like, your ketones. And this... What's this, like ice cream, chocolate swirl? That's kind of cool. That's new to me, so I'll be looking forward to trying that out. Then you get like some things, so you get your lots of bone broth, and then this is salted caramel. I've heard mixed reviews on these. I think it's just natural, like, you know, sometimes people like things, sometimes they don't. So there's that. I loved all of these though when I tried them in July. They were so good, so I'm pleased with that. Then you get some electrolytes. I've not tried them before, so I'm excited about that. And then you get these supplements. So like for the morning ones, so you have like your B12, which is great for like energy, and extract, I don't know, reishi mushrooms. I know what those are. I don't know what the other, black pepper. I don't know. I think it's just like something to give you a little boost to get going with your day. And then the nighttime ones have all the calming things. So like this is like great for your muscles, 5-HTP is great for sleep, valerian root, lemon balm, magnesium, the ashwagandha and stuff is all great for relaxation and getting good sleep too. So there we go. And then there are some instructions too as to how you go about your day. So like you'll wake up and you take like 2 of these, and then you start off with like one of these, and then like there's a regimen that goes on throughout the day. So gonna be cool. I've been dancing on this line, like between this, I've hit my smallest weight so far on this journey, which has been awesome. But the thing is, like, I keep like dancing now, like between a couple pounds. I keep swaying over this one weight, and I just want to break that threshold and really start the weight loss process again, because it's just not been happening. And so I've been kind of stalled out for like a month or so, and I'm just ready to get it going again. So I'm really hoping that this will do the trick.